DJI is about to completely redefine the entry-level drone market once again. Leaks and insider reports are flooding the web about the upcoming DJI Neo 3, rumored for a late 2026 launch. If these reports hold true, DJI's smallest flying camera is getting a massive generational upgrade, solving almost every major complaint users have with past models. From a bigger sensor and professional color profiles to true obstacle sensing and O4+ transmission. Let's break down everything we know about the Neo 3 from A to Z. First, let's talk about when you can get your hands on it and how much it's going to cost. Expected launch. Industry insiders point to a late 2026 release. Pricing structure. Sticking to its budget-friendly roots, the base model is heavily rumored to start between $150 and $170. Bundles and combos. If you want extra batteries, a dedicated remote controller, or FPV goggles, expect the multi-battery and controller bundles to scale upward into the $250 to $350 range. Without a doubt, the most anticipated upgrade lands in the camera department. The Neo 3 is rumored to move away from older half-inch sensors, adopting a significantly larger sensor that drastically boosts low-light performance and dynamic range. For short-form content creators, bloggers, and filmmakers, this is huge. Reports point to native support for 10-bit D-Log M color profiles and enhanced HDR recording. That means you will get professional-grade color grading flexibility straight out of an ultra-portable, palm-sized drone. Battery anxiety has always been the Achilles heel of micro-drones, but the Neo 3 is getting a welcome efficiency bump. Thanks to improved motor management and upgraded power systems, sources indicate the Neo 3 will achieve up to 24 minutes of flight time per battery. That is a massive leap forward for an aircraft this size, giving you way more breathing room to capture the perfect shot without constantly swapping packs. Safety and autonomous tracking are also receiving a major overhaul. While older models relied heavily on basic forward and downward vision, rumors point to a new tridirectional or multi-directional sensing system. This upgrade makes casual indoor flying, tight spaces, and automated palm tracking significantly safer for beginners and pros alike. Connectivity takes a massive leap forward with the adoption of DJI's O4+ video transmission technology. This allows for a clean, rock-solid connection over long ranges of up to 10 kilometers in ideal open environments, bridging the gap between a casual toy and professional gear. As competition heats up in the lightweight creator category from rivals like the Hover X1 Pro series, DJI's unmatched software integration and ecosystem still put them leagues ahead. Keep in mind that the DJI Neo 3 remains unofficial for now, but these leaks paint a wildly exciting picture for late 2026. What single feature, the 24-minute battery, the larger sensor, or obstacle sensing would make you upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for the latest tech updates, and I'll see you in the next video.